Welcome to Fueler Minds. Today we're learning cooking verbs, action words that chefs use every day. Ready? Let's cook up some new vocabulary.
Fueler Mindz.
Bake. To cook in an oven. Beat. To mix with a fork or a beater. Boil. To heat until bubbles are formed. Grill. To cook food over fire or coal, usually on a metal frame. Poach. To cook food gently in a small amount of liquid. Chop. To cut into small pieces with a sharp knife. Serve. To give food to somebody during a meal. Cook. To prepare food for eating. Dice. To cut food into small cubes. Blend. To mix two or more substances so they combine together. Break. To separate into smaller parts by force. Fry. To cook food in hot oil, butter or fat. Cut. To separate or divide by using a knife. Drain. To remove excess liquid from food. Grate. To rub food into smaller pieces using a metal tool. Knead. To stretch and press dough with hands. Measure. To take an exact quantity. Melt. To make something become a liquid by heat. Mince. To grind food into small pieces. Mix. To combine two or more things. Peel. To remove the outer layer of a fruit or a vegetable. Pour. To transfer liquid from one container to another. Roast. To cook in an oven or over a fire. Mash. To crush something until it is soft. Sift. To remove lumps by passing through a sieve. Slice. To cut into thin pieces that are equal in size. Sprinkle. To throw drops or small pieces over a surface. Steam. To cook by placing the food above boiling water. Stir. To mix by moving a spoon around in a circular motion. Squeeze. To extract liquid by pressing firmly. Weigh. To measure the weight of something. Sauté. To fry quickly in a little hot oil. Whisk. To beat very fast using a fork or a whisk. Simmer. To cook gently in a liquid that is almost boiling. Marinate. To coat meat in a seasoned liquid and kept for a long time to add flavors. Blanch. To boil food for a short time and placed in ice water to stop cooking.
Subscribe for more videos.